What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we've got this package right here from LinerX, so we're gonna go ahead and get this thing opened up and show you how to get set up with your new all-weather mats. All right, so here in the box. All right, so here's what's in the box. Everything is folded. So my recommendation is we're probably gonna let this thing sit out in the sun so we can get rid of a lot of the creases that are on here. That's the rear mat. These look pretty good to go here. The only two that are gonna need some time in the sun is the trunk mat and the rear mats. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tarp here. Then we're gonna take our mats, spread them out for a nice sunbathe session. All right, so we'll let these sit in the sun, let them kind of level themselves out, and then we'll get them installed. All right, so our mats are looking good from sitting out here in the sun, so we're gonna go ahead and get them installed. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna identify our driver's mat. So this is it here, the one with this nice cutout section there. So we're gonna get that on standby on the side. All right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pull up here on these clips. That releases it. You take that out. And then if you notice here on the back, these will slide right over to those little tabs there on the floor. We're gonna go ahead and slide that in. Once we slide that in, locate that, push down. Driver's side installation complete. All right, and we repeat the same steps on the passenger side as we did on the driver's. And for the second row, all we have to do is take it out. There are no tabs or anything in there. And we take our new and we slide it in. And then for the rear, we take our mats, slide it in, get it set into place. And we're done. Well, that's it for the installation of the LinerX All Weather Mats for the 2023 Fisker Ocean. It's your boy BT, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.